I'm with Bob here with the ARRL. How are you doing? What's your call sign first?
NQ1R.
And how are you doing today?
I'm having a great Hamvention. This is a lot of fun.
It is. So what's ARRL been up to lately?
Sure, so this is Saturday at Hamvention, so
Yep.
It's Youth Rally Day.
Ooh.
ARRL has about 25 young people from all across the country that are participating in an all-hands-on activity. They're doing a sprint, they're working a parachute mobile station, they're doing satellite contacts, they're soldering, they're doing all sorts of fun stuff here at Hamvention.
Oh, that's awesome.
Because the next generation is already here.
Yes, they are. And at the last Hamfest, y'all gave away the prize station, right?
Yes.
Oh, that was so cool.
Yes, we had a dream station, an ICOM dream station that we ended up giving away to a fellow in Hawaii who ended up winning it. And we're excited to be announcing sometime before the end of the year another sweepstakes for 2027. So
Okay,
you've heard it here first that we'll do it, but I can't share any of the details yet.
So maybe later Huntsville time.
Maybe and Huntsville will be ARRL's national convention in August, so we look forward to many good announcements in Huntsville.
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. You have a youth lounge over here?
We do. So we're engaging young people by some soldering activities. We have the Collegiate Amateur Radio program. These are college students who are meeting with our younger high school and middle school students and telling them about what they're doing with amateur radio at the college level. What we want is young people to take education tracks that include amateur radio during that entire schooling. And then they're ready for a job, maybe in wireless communications.
I like that idea. Idea. Name a program of the ARRL that is something that we might not be aware of.
Sure. This year, ARRL is partnering with America 250, the congressionally created committee, to celebrate the nation's 250th birthday on the 4th of July.
Ooh.
And so, ARRL Field Day this year has taken on an America 250 theme. Our theme for Field Day is Amateur Radio, a National Resource.
Okay.
So we want ham radio operators who are participating in Field Day at their local parks and parking lots at the mall and all over the country to spread the good word about amateur radio being a national resource, both technically and also from an emergency communications standpoint.
I like it. So where can we find more information about the ARRL and the 250?
You bet. So visit www.arrl.org/America250 for more information about that program, and visit /Field Day for more information about 2026 ARRL Field Day in June.
Love it. I love it. Well, have a good Hamfest.
Thanks, Frank. Nice to see you here.